In the grand expanse of the sky, two birds of different natures dwelled, an eagle soaring high, and a kestrel wistfully hovering low. The eagle was a symbol of pride and power, its eyes piercing the clouds, its wings cutting through the wind. The kestrel, on the other hand, was meek, its tiny frame barely discernible against the vast backdrop of the heavens. One day, a storm brewed, bringing forth a torrential downpour. The eagle, confident in its strength, rode the winds, soaring higher and higher, reveling in the gusts. The kestrel, however, was not as fortunate. Caught in the storm, it was swept away, carried far from its home, lost and alone. In despair, the kestrel cried out for help. But the eagle, too engrossed in its own show of might, paid no heed. It continued to soar, oblivious to the plight of its smaller companion. As the storm subsided, the eagle returned to its nest, triumphant and exhausted. But it found the kestrel nowhere to be found. In its pride and power, it had overlooked the needs of the weak. The eagle spent days searching, but the kestrel was nowhere to be found. It realized then, in its solitude and sorrow, the true meaning of power. Power, it learned, was not in soaring high and strong, but in reaching out to those in need, in helping those who were weak. In its search for the kestrel, the eagle found a new purpose: to use its strength not for self-glory, but for the betterment of others. And so, the eagle learned that the true measure of a bird was not its size or its strength, but its compassion and its heart. From then on, it hovered low, near the ground, watching over the smallest of creatures, extending a helping wing to those in need. The kestrel, meanwhile, found solace in the arms of a kind farmer, who took it in and cared for it. It lived out its days in peace, knowing that its friend, the eagle, had learned its lesson. The story of the eagle and the kestrel serves as a reminder to us all. For it is not the mighty who rule the skies, but those who use their strength wisely, with compassion and a heart for others.